Welcome to Lavande Hotel's Xian Bell Tower, where modern comfort meets the rich history of central Xian. This elegant four-star hotel places you right in the heartbeat of the city, with the iconic bell tower just moments away from your doorstep. Whether you're here for business or leisure, you'll find everything designed for your comfort and convenience. As you enter the sleek, contemporary lobby, you'll immediately notice the warm hospitality that defines your stay. Each of the thoughtfully designed guest rooms combines soothing color palettes with modern furnishings, creating a peaceful retreat after a day of exploring. Sink into plush bedding and enjoy the quiet comfort of your private sanctuary. Start your mornings right with a delightful breakfast included in your stay, then stay connected throughout the day with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. Should you need any assistance, the attentive multilingual staff is always ready with local recommendations or to arrange laundry and dry cleaning services. With check-in from 2 p.m. and check-out until noon, you'll have plenty of time to settle in and enjoy your stay. Ready to experience Lavande's signature blend of comfort and convenience? Scan the QR code in the description to book your stay today and discover why so many travelers make this their Xian home away from home.